Hi guys, this is Ashwin here. In this video we are going to see about tuples in Python. Tuple is also a container that holds multiple data type values similar to list, but the only difference between tuple and the list is tuples are immutable. Immutable means we can change the value after it is assigned, but in list it is mutable, so we can change the values in list. Let's see an example for tuple. T equals open brackets is the symbol for tuple. Let's initialize with same example as before, 1 comma 2.0 comma hacker comma true. So it holds 4 different data types. Now display it. See, it displays all the values. You can also assign the tuple like this, t equals 1 comma 2 comma 3. Now let's run it. See, it assigned the values to the variable t. Now it automatically converts to the type tuple. I said tuples are immutable. That means if you assigned a value and try to change it means you will get an error. Let's say t of 0. I will assign it by 4 and run it. See, tuple object does not support item assignment. That's why I said it is immutable. If it is a list means we can assign any value to the index. Okay, let's leave some space. Now access the tuples. Similar to list, we can access the tuples using the index. Let's say I want t of 2. Let's run it. Here t is 1, 2, 3 and t of 2 is 3. Similarly, we can access from the reverse. Access from reverse t of -1. Run it. Now it accesses the last item from the tuple. Let's display the tuple here to view easily. T. Now it accesses the last item of the tuple by using the negative index. And slicing. Let's say t starting from 1 colon 3. Now let's run it. It displays the first and the second index value. That is for slicing. If we want to reverse the tuple, similar to the list, we can use the reverse operation like t colon colon -1. Run it. Now this is the reverse of tuple. Now if you want to delete an element from the tuple, delete element, that will be del of the tuple index. T of, let's say, the first index, that is 0, and display it. See, in the tuple it also does not support item deletion. You can delete an element from the tuple, but we can delete the entire tuple like this. Delete entire tuple. That will be del of t. Run it. And now let's access the t. See, name t is not defined because the entire tuple is deleted. And the next one is basic operations in tuple. So that will be basic operations in tuple. Similar to list, we can find the length of the tuple using the length function. That will be len of, I already defined a tuple above. Okay, now we need to define a tuple again. Let's define it now. T equals 1 comma 2 comma 3 and 4. Run it. Now to display the length, let's type the variable and run it. Now the length of the tuple is 4. Now if you want to concatenate tuples, let's initialize another tuple t2 equals 5, 6, 7. If you want to concatenate t equals t plus t2. All the operations are similar to list. You can do the operations. The only difference is you can assign or delete a particular item. That's the only difference. Let's run it. Now both the tuples are combined. Now if you want to initialize with a set of numbers, repeated numbers, let's say I want to initialize the tuple with the zeros. For temp equals tuple of 0, I want the number of elements to be 5, so multiplies by 5. Now let's run it. See, it displays only one element because we need to add a comma next to the element. If you don't use comma, means it will just display one element as a normal value. Now let's run it. See, it displays 5 elements and it is in a tuple. Now if you want to convert a list into a tuple, L equals, let's say the list have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values. Now you want to convert list to tuple. Convert list to tuple. For that, t equals tuple of L. L is the list. It will convert the entire list to a tuple. Okay, now let's display it. See, it converts the entire list into a tuple, but the list remains the same because we are not doing anything to the list. We are just converting the list to a tuple and assign to the variable t. Similarly, you can use all the functions that we have seen in the list. So that's it for tuples. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe the channel. See you guys in the next video.